Hello mga kakusina! Another day, another recipe. Today I am sharing my own version of garlic pepper beef and mushroom. It is a rich peppery dish with tender beef, buttery mushrooms, and a creamy sauce that's perfect with rice. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! Let's start cooking! First up, we are going to start marinating our beef. I am using Sukiyaki-cut beef for this dish. It cooks fast and stays juicy. I seasoned it with Mirin, Knorr Liquid Seasoning, and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the pepper, we really want that kick. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let's start making our fried garlic. I slowly cooked minced garlic in oil over low to medium heat until it is turned golden and crispy. Once this is done, set it aside. Don't throw away the oil. We're using that again later because it's now full of garlic flavor. Using the same garlic oil, I cook the marinated beef. I made sure that the pan isn't too crowded so that the beef can brown properly. Once it is nicely cooked, take it out of the pan and set it aside. Next, I removed the excess oil and beef fat from the pan. I added a bit of butter and started sautéing the mushrooms. Let them cook until they soften and start to brown a little. To build the sauce, I added 1 pack of Knorr Cream of Mushroom powder straight into the pan. I slowly poured in water while stirring. This helps prevent lumps and keeps the sauce smooth. I just kept adding water until I got the right consistency, then I poured in some cream. Let it simmer over low heat until the sauce thickens. Once the sauce was ready, I added the cooked beef back into the pan. I gave everything a good mix so the beef was fully coated in that creamy mushroom sauce. Then I added a little more Knorr Liquid Seasoning for the final flavor boost. I also sprinkled in some of that crispy garlic we made earlier for extra aroma and texture. So that is it mga kakusina, garlic pepper, beef, and mushroom is ready to serve. Spoon it over hot steamed white rice, top it with more fried garlic, and you've got yourself a comforting, flavorful meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time mga kakusina. Happy cooking!